Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, it's actually Halloween weekend, but I don't really participate in Halloween like that. When I had little kids, I did, or a little kid, I did. No, I don't. But I'm gonna go have dinner and maybe a drink with my husband. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun?
Okay, let's just do something quick. I am literally not feeling good. Like, I feel so sick, but you know what? We must move on. Actually, I have this palette from Kara Beauty. I'm gonna dive into this shade right here called Catty. And this is on a Y204. And I'm just gonna like this base that I put on my eye, I can tell you it's gonna give me some problems. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Like, it makes my eye crease a lot. Like, I thought this was gonna be darker than it is. I don't know, these shades are a little bit deceiving, to be honest with you. Just something quick and simple. I know I keep saying quick and simple and it doesn't always turn out that way, but you know what? That is the part. That is the plan. That is the plan. And that is that for that. I'm actually gonna go into this palette and I'm gonna go into Screwed. And this is an AOA Studio E145 brush, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. Like a chunky concealer brush, but it will give me what I want. And just kind of buffing everything up into that pink. This is not a buffing brush, but it will give me what I need. It will give me what I need. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to this brush and my first shade and just kind of like buff up the edges. Just clean it up. And that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So the foundation we're gonna talk about is the LA Girl Tinted Foundation. So let us give her a whirl. I'm actually gonna use this. I've never used this, but everybody and their mama is talking about this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. So let's use, yeah, I've never used this, so but take off my earrings because that's gonna be too much. Might be fine. So it's a medium to buildable coverage, so we're just gonna go in for brush. I'm gonna use my Flawless brush from Plainy Makeup by Yolondo. Then I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever concealer I don't have a concealer that's not like full coverage. Maybe I need to get one for stuff like this, because for stuff like this I'm like, maybe I need something, right? I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place contour. And just, trying to give my face some kind of dimension, something. I'm drinking my holiday cheers. This is the Serrano and eggnog. This is the E20 brush. And then I'm gonna go back to my contour brush and just blend this out a bit. So my Charlotte Tilbury powder. And now I'm gonna go into just my regular powder. I cannot find my
What the hell? Where I begin? That's my last pair of underpants!
This is from Bare Minerals. Oh, that is still tacky. I think it has something to do with this brush. Because if it doesn't set my face properly, when you see I go in with my bronzer, it's just gonna like just stick. Stick to the face and then make a mess. And then I'm gonna go into Blondie from Huda Beauty and just take a little bit. That is all. So I'm going to go in with my Vin eye pencil, or maybe Queen, but with a V, I don't know. And then now we're gonna go in. If I can find that palette, we're gonna go into that pink. Okay. What could I put in my inner corners? This palette has a nice pink. Chosen. Let's put Chosen. Let's use the Rude blush palette. And I'm gonna go into yes, Candy and Sugar Rush and Sugar Crush. You know. Ooh, that's a lot. Well, that is a lot of blush. I look how pink. And let us do a little, and I'm gonna use my Topaz from Jouer. It's a lot. Ooh. Now let us jump on the lip. Just gonna jump on the lip real quick. Nothing crazy, because this eyes is quite pink. So let's do Limitless. I don't know. I have all the bronze here. I feel like I'm using my same bronze all the time. This is from NYX and this is Club Hopper. I think like my lip still has like gloss on there from like before I record. I don't know if I like this. It's quite tough. Very, very tough. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put Cold Hearted from Rihanna on the Fenty Beauty. Her glosses are so good. Okay, so everything is done. This look came out a little bit more bold than I wanted, but you know what? We're just gonna go with the flow and go hang out to the hubs, and that's it. So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.